Hi foodies, welcome back. Summer is here and we need something to cool off. This salad is the perfect recipe of healthy and refreshing to beat the heat. Let's get started. Come on. I have cooked the chickpeas, but you can also use canned if you like. We will combine and build all the flavors gradually. All these are fresh ingredients. Give a good mix. We have to make a dressing for this salad. Try to use a good quality olive oil. This dressing can be used for other salads too, and my family loves it a lot. Whisk to combine the flavors, and this is very important. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Drizzle over the salad and sprinkle some chopped parsley. We will give it a good mix again so all the dressing coats the ingredients perfectly. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. Crumbled feta cheese will take this salad to another level of yumminess. It looks so colorful and is full of flavor. Do try this recipe and give a big thumbs up and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.